Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. What are you getting with Kajabi, and why is it better than the competition? All of those questions will be answered in today's video. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. You are living in the greatest time in the history of the universe to be an online business owner. There are so many great tools, just about everything you could ever need to do to make money, sell courses, and have your entire brand online without needing to do any coding or have any technical skills. It's a lot different than it was for me back in 2009 when I got started and I was having to duct tape websites and plugins and tools together and pay for all of them separately. It's cheaper and easier, so just thank your lucky stars that you are growing and building your online business right now. Full disclosure, I am a Kajabi user. I've been using Kajabi since 2013, and I use it to run 2 7-figure businesses. I love this platform. People hear about Kajabi, they know it's kind of the leader, but they're like, price. That's usually where people come to me like, well, I can't afford Kajabi, or why is Kajabi so much more expensive? It's not really so much more expensive if we look at it in reality, but let's compare the prices. So I'm gonna start with the basic price and compare that to the basic price of Kartra. So here's the price list, $149 a month. It's cheaper if you go annual, but forget annual for now. Let's just assume you just wanna try it out for a month or 2. You're looking at the monthly price. You get a few different things, 3 products, 3 pipelines, blah, 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 blah. What does this mean? This means you get everything you need to start making money right now. What I like about Kajabi is that they've given you, there's a limit on certain things, of course, otherwise why would there be different tiers of the product? But they've limited you on the things that won't really hamper your ability to make money, and they've given you unlimited for the things that really do help you make money. You see this one right here, unlimited marketing emails? This is a big one. Kajabi gives you email marketing baked in, so does Kartra. We're gonna get to that in a second. But to not be limited on how many emails you can send, or to have a 10,000 contact list, which is amazing. You can have an email list of up to 10,000 people on this basic plan. This is huge. 3 products, people see that as a limitation. It's not. I only have 3 products for this brand, the Graham Cochran brand, and it does 7 figures a year. So I don't need anything more than this plan to make a lot of money. You don't need lots of products. But there's also workarounds for the product limitation, which I can show you in another video. But 3 products, 3 pipelines, it's everything you need, including your website, to be up and running. Let's compare that to Kartra's basic plan. It's $99 a month, which is a better price. It's 100 instead of 150. Couple of things. You only get a certain number of emails per month. They cap you on how many emails you can send, which is a bummer if you're gonna do launches. And it's a bummer if you're gonna have lots of people on your email list. But they do limit you to how many people you can have on your email list, only 2,500, which that's a lot of people. And you can make some good money with 2,500, but once you go past 2,500, you have to upgrade. And you're gonna wanna go past 2,500 if you wanna make good money. On Kajabi, you can have 10,000. So you get 4 times as many people on your email list on their basic plan, and also unlimited marketing emails. Email marketing is so critical to you making money. So being able to have a bigger list and email them as many times as you want, I think is critical to you making money, more than having what do they have? 20 products plus 2 memberships. These are vanity stats to me. You don't need 20 products ever. I've never had 20 products. You don't need 20 products, so it's not a big deal. Here's another problem with Kartra: 50 videos. Now I'm hoping that those videos are in addition to the videos inside of your online courses and products. So we're gonna give them the benefit of the doubt there. But 50 videos. Well, what if you want to do a free workshop that's a multi-part Jeff Walker launch style video workshop that has multiple videos? What if you want to have videos on landing pages for your opt-ins? What if you want to have videos on your sales pages? Why are you limiting videos? Here inside of Kajabi, you're not going to see videos listed anywhere because they're all unlimited. Kajabi has Wistia, which is the premier video hosting platform, baked in. So when you are a paying Kajabi member, you can upload unlimited video content to anything. This is so powerful because this is how you can send bonus guides and bonus video workshops and host all kinds of cool things for free, because you have unlimited landing pages, which are simple websites, and unlimited video. And those are all powerful things that you can either sell or give away for free. Super, super important. One other thing that I'm looking at with Kartra is I don't see webinars anywhere, which is interesting because I'm pretty sure the guys at Kartra are the guys that invented Webinar Jam. So this is huge. Webinars and events inside of Kajabi are huge. You can set up pages for people to register for a webinar. Come to my free webinar. It has registration pages, has automated emails that email them, reminders of when it's going down. You have a private live webinar room that can have a countdown timer that automatically refreshes when the webinar goes live. And you can use either Zoom or YouTube Live, which is free, to host your webinars for free inside of Kajabi in a private Kajabi room. I do this all the time. I've had thousands of people on webinars for free using Kajabi. And the events are great because then you can do a webinar, turn it into an auto webinar, and have that be part of either your opt-in strategy or your email funnel, where you can have people register, pick a time for the webinar. It's happening every 15 minutes or every 30 minutes, and they can pick a slot. They can sit in their computer, get some coffee, and then the webinar goes live, and they have to stream it and watch it as if it were live. And at the end, you can pitch a product or whatever. You can have follow-up emails that pitch your products to them, all based around the event or the webinars, which is awesome. That's huge, and I use webinars a lot. I don't see that anywhere here in Kartra, which is kind of a bummer. So again, comparing the base price of $99 to $149, I think you get a lot more. I didn't even mention assessments, which are quizzes, or the automations, which are powerful. I think Kartra has some automations. Kajabi's are super, super simple, but let's assume they're both great. And the chat support. I love Kajabi's chat. I'll get on there and chat all the time when I have a question about how to do something, and they answer my questions. So it's having that support staff. Sometimes I have problems with a customer. They're having a weird problem. I don't know. I can chat about it in the live chat and get an answer for my students or customers. Now, let's compare the middle price, because they're both the same. The growth plan of Kajabi is $199, and now we get to what they're saying is the silver plan of Kartra, $199. Up to 12,500 leads. These are people on your email list. Again, Kajabi gives you twice that, 25,000 people on your email list. So much better. And you get plenty of products. That's not a problem. And again, at this point, the plans are very similar, except I think the limitation on not being able to do webinars as well as the 24/7 chat is a big deal. But when you get to the middle plans, they're almost the same. So other than I think the email list is a big no-no. But let's just say you're making plenty of money with 12,000 people on your email list, which you totally can. At this point, they're the same price. So now the biggest negative for Kajabi, which is usually price, kind of goes away because you're paying the same and getting way more inside of Kajabi. So again, I think price isn't really an issue. I think you get a better deal with the basic Kajabi, but at the middle tier, you're getting so much more for the same price as Kartra. Let me make one final case for you of why I think Kajabi is the way to go. I have hung out with the people at Kajabi in their headquarters. I have met the CEO and the president. I've talked to the head of branding, the head of product design. I've seen the employees. I've seen the customer service people. This company is built for the long run. This is not a small, scrappy company. This is a big tech company built from the ground up and infused with a lot of cash and vision for making the best product possible. I've been on the platform since 2013, like I said. Ever since they launched this new version of Kajabi in 2015, they have just added feature after feature. Everything you're seeing Kartra do or any of these other platforms do, It's because Kajabi did it first and started bundling it all together. Kajabi is playing to win. So any feature that doesn't exist, it will be added. Any feature that could be more slick, it will be updated, and your price will not change. And the support is insane. They are hiring support staff all the time, which is good for you because when you're a solopreneur like me, you don't have a team, you don't have a tech team, you don't have a complicated tech stack. You have one thing, you're logging in, it should be simple, but when it doesn't work or you have a problem, you have no one to talk to. What I love about Kajabi is you can get on email support or 24/7 chat support, especially with a growth plan, and talk to somebody immediately who will make it right, fix it, or teach you how to do it. The infrastructure they have is powerful at Kajabi, and that's part of what you're paying for, is getting that company's support staff and their capital, because they're going to continue to make the product better and continue to keep the price the same for you. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.